Hello everyone, this is Trevor Looney here, and today we will be speaking in regards to how can we upgrade our kitchen area. There are a few things that we have to take note first before we actually do a renovation, or if you want to do a paint over, it is fine. Kitchen area doesn't require you to do crazy renovation like, oh, I have to replace all these things, I got to replace all my things, I got to change the new system, I got to change this and that. No, don't have to. You just have to make sure that a few things are in there and then you are good to go. To be really honest, you don't even have to change anything. Let's just say we are talking about the built-in oven. What can you do to change? As long as the oven is clean, the oven is still working and it is fine. There is no faulty electricity and stuff, it's fine. If you want to get it changed, go ahead. I mean, nobody's going to stop you to change something that is newer. It will definitely put in extra points when you are trying to sell off the property or you're trying to get a refinance. There are also small little things like the door hinges and stuff, and that is the main thing that I want to talk about today. Because there are a few wooden cabinets that we have in our kitchen where we put our sauce dish, we put our plates, we put our new saucer, we put our frying pan, we put our plates, we put our reserve cups. All these things is placed there. So all these hinges, through a period of time, they are going to get old, they are going to be worn off. But the quality is still good. How am I able to actually get better points when all these things are falling off, the wood laminations are falling off, the wood are peeling off, there is a lot of damages on the wood. So you want to actually change, you want to do improvement and enhancement. And the quickest and the fastest way that I have learned from people is to do a contrasting paint. For example, you're going to paint your wall white, which is not the best deal because when you're cooking stuff, many wall that is white color will turn yellowish. Reason being is because there is oil splatter around it, or oxidations, or because due to long-term heat, it turns yellow. Or you can actually try something like, having a grey wall with all the wooden cabinets paint black. It will be looking like a modern house instead of an old house where you have an old looking kitchen with all the wood and stuff cracking and all these things. You can do these things at very cheap price. Just paint them over, get professional painters to paint them, and then you're done. For those door hinges, you just need to replace them. Just unscrew it from the current door, throw those old one away. You can just go to Home Depot or whatever places to get cheaper door hinges or the doorknob. You can just replace them yourself. Just screw it back on and it's done. Plus point. Woo! So, before I actually continue, you guys gotta really help me in this campaign to actually share all this basic knowledge to you guys. There are a lot of people that is trying to ask you to understand the advanced, to understand their level, to be at their level. It doesn't work like that. There is a reason why we have to go to primary school before we can go to a higher education or at least to a university and stuff. Because you got to understand the basics. And when you get the basics right, the advanced is all defined by you. So, before we continue, please do like my video, alright? Subscribe to my channel. This really helped me in my journey to help more people. At the same time, when you actually like all this video, YouTube is able to actually make sure that this video are passed to more people. So more people will understand this. And people will start understanding that by knowing the basics, you will understand advanced. Let's just define these things, okay? There are so many things that we have. Let's talk about math. We have basic math, we have the elementary math, and then after that we got advanced math. Advanced math, we got H math, E math, blah blah this, blah that. And for H math, it is not engineering math. It is not something that I can do. If I am an engineer today, I study H math, it doesn't help me in whatever that is in engineering. And that is why it is advanced. H math is advanced, but it doesn't help me. My school don't let me learn, which means that my school made the wrong choice? No. It is just because that advance is not in your industry. So it is not advanced to you, it is useless. I just want to let you guys know that basic is something that you guys have to know, and I only bring up basic. Only until you understand basic, you will then do the advance. Let us just go back to it. Right, remember, like my video, subscribe to my channel, so I'm able to actually pass you guys more information, and you guys will know whenever I actually upload a video. Although I upload every Monday and Wednesday, or actually you can say it's Tuesday or Thursday in the Southeast Asia time. Sometimes I will upload in other dates because I have sudden updates. So I hope that you guys can actually help me in this journey to really pass out all this basic understanding to everybody else by liking and subscribing. If you are stressful, smash on that like button a bit, but just make sure that it turns blue. Okay? And then if you are really stressed at the same time you want to do something about the subscribe button, try to destroy it, but just make sure that it is grey out and it says subscribe at the end of the day, alright? So my name is Private Looney, and then we will continue. Alright, so when you actually get Home Depot, you get to change the doorknob, you get to change everything, it will give you a very modern classic look and you will feel like it is a new home. For those tabletop that you know that there's a lot of stain after you have put your beer, there is beer spilling, there is Coke spill, there is a lot of things that is spilled on it, you will start seeing a lot of dirt or dust staying on top of it. It is hard to erase away, right? It's hard to actually wash it off. So some people actually told me that you can actually get an imitation of a marble glassware where you just put on top, and these things are unbreakable, indestructible, and at the same time you are able to actually get them replaced every year because they are cheap and they are easier to get. Also at the same time, they can help you score a lot of points in your kitchen during inspection. At the same time, you know, when you have a marble looking tabletop, usually it melts the heart of all the buyers that want to buy property. Whenever I see something that's made of glass, I would always try to pick that kind of things because I really love it. I love the glass design. It gives me a very modern feel, a very artistic level, or a very high standard of living in a certain area. So I've come to the end of the video. My name is Private Looney. I hope that this video can help you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Okay, I really appreciate your time. So please like the video so YouTube is able to actually do their algorithm, you know, help me by sharing this video around when you like it. Subscribe to my channel, click on the bell, okay? Each time I actually have a new video, I will let you guys know. I do also have other social media accounts out there like Facebook, Twitter. I also have a podcast on Spotify, Anchor FM, you know, do feel free to actually get them, you know, hear them through when you're driving or you're busy on the railway and stuff like that. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and also continue to support me in my channel. I'll see you guys on the next video.